In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate your estimated tax refund online using a service like TurboTax. If you want a quick, clear sense of what you might get back or what you may owe, these tools can give you an estimate in just a few minutes, and they're designed to be straightforward for most people. Here's the big idea. You use an online tax platform, follow its guided questions, and it calculates an estimate based on your inputs. For many simple returns, this core estimating process is typically free. Simple usually means straightforward income, the standard deduction, and no complex investments or business activity. If your situation is uncomplicated, you'll likely see your estimate without paying anything. As you go, the software does the math for you so you can focus on answering questions accurately rather than worrying about tax formulas. Along the way, you may see optional offers to upgrade. These can include extra features like importing forms, expanded deduction guidance, or on-demand help from a tax expert. These upgrades are convenient, but they're not required just to get an estimate. Before accepting any add-ons, look for a clear price and consider whether you truly need the additional support. If you only want a ballpark figure, you can usually proceed with the free pathway and still get a reliable estimate. To make the process smoother, it helps to have basic information handy, such as your income totals and any common tax credits or deductions you expect to claim. The more accurate your inputs, the more accurate your estimate. If you're unsure about a detail, most platforms provide explanations next to each question, so take a moment to read those notes. They can clear up common confusion and help you avoid over or underestimating. Keep in mind, an estimate is just that, an estimate. Your final refund or balance may change once you enter all your official documents and complete the full filing. If your situation becomes more complex as you go, you can reassess whether an upgrade or professional guidance is worth it for peace of mind. Finally, protect your information. Use a secure internet connection, create a strong password, and sign out when you're done. If you decide to file later, you can typically return to your account and pick up where you left off. That's it. With a service like TurboTax, you can quickly see your estimated refund online, often at no cost for simple returns, and choose upgrades only if you want extra features or expert help.